What is a smartphone? Some people think it's just that. A phone that just happens to be smart. A pocketable device, inanimate and all, that tags along with us just about everywhere we go. It becomes so forgettable, whether it's in our pockets, our handbags, purses, travel bags. We leave it in the car. We left it at a restaurant. Some people just see this smartphone as just a phone. That's right, I said it. Just a phone. If that were the case, that it was just a phone, why do we trust this device with our life? I mean, let's be real. In most of our cases, our phones know more about us than our own family. Is the smartphone just a phone?
Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Mohamed, and a smartphone to me is like a portal that you have with you anywhere you go. And that's the crazy part, because it's something that you have with you anywhere you go. You can look into the past, you can look into the present, and sometimes you can take a peek of the future anywhere you go. You're not stuck at home with this huge clunky computer when you have it with you in your pocket everywhere you go.
So for real though, what is a smartphone to you?
What is a smartphone to me? I don't know. I didn't really think about the question. It's really what I use to contact people, social media. I'm on Instagram, a lot, so, that's where, I do my natural hair, so I use my phone to take my pictures, to edit YouTube, edit my videos, and to interact with, my followers, subscribers, and all that. So that's what I use it for. I said to text, call. Those are my main sources. So it's really a way for me to do what I love. Just a phone. Honestly, that's what it means to me. It's just what it is, a phone, a smartphone. You can use it for many things, but at the end of the day, it's just a phone.
What just happened?
Nothing. What? I'm not saying it.
What happened?
I left my phone at home.
Oh. So you're saying you can't go even to the store without your phone, huh?
No, I would if I didn't use my case as a
Therefore,
wallet. Why can't I count right now?
she needs that phone. Definitely a polarizing question, as you see. At first, you're like, it's just a smartphone, it's just a phone, it's something I take with me. I find it to be quite reliable. But then when you step back and look at the bigger picture and realize that you may have more use for it than even I do, or that somebody else may, then you also realize that maybe this is more than just a smartphone. Maybe that there's something more to this question. Gotta think about it. Just on smartphones alone, why is it that we spend so much money just to protect them with cases and accessories? Think about all the use cases with our phones. We use our phones for media, entertainment, our virtual ticket to the movies. It's our access now. We use the phone to take pictures. It's our own filmmaking device to record movies. We use our phones to communicate with our friends, our loved ones via text and phone call. We use our phone even for directions. No more using a physical map, we're using Google Maps because, well, we all know about Apple Maps. Our phone is so versatile now. And that's just to name a few of the very basic functions of the smartphone. That doesn't include using it as a calculator, our budgeting tool, our purchasing tool. There's so much involved with this smartphone that's not just a question for me. What is a smartphone to you?